Grabbing a piece of dough, and she's gonna cut it in two and then smush it a little bit with semolina powder, flour.
Oh, I think I did that after, before we did the noodles. That's what it was, you know?
Okay, so now we're gonna go 2 times in each one of the numbers, and we're gonna start with 1. And I have to go clockwise on it. So at first it's a little tough to get it through, but it smushes through pretty good. And then we're gonna do it again on the same number.
Come on, we got a lot to do.
We're gonna do it on the same number. Now we're gonna go to 2. And she's ready, so I start cranking. And then we go again. I almost don't even have to stop. And now we're gonna go to 3. And we go 2 times in each number. Here we go. And now we're gonna go to 4, but I think she might cut it, I don't know. Oh, maybe not. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and go through on 4. And then we're gonna do it one more time. Okay, now we're going to 5. Here we go. We gotta go 2 times through on 5. And now this is where it really gets squished out. Okay, we gotta go one more time. Here we go, look how long it's getting. Oh my gosh. And that's it. Now, I think, what are you gonna do now? You're gonna put some, she's gonna cut it, and then I think she's gonna put some semolina on it. I think. Let's see. Yep, she did. All right, so next we're gonna go to the fettuccine. Here we go. There it is. Putting it on here. Here we go. Fettuccine. I think we're gonna have a lot of pasta.
Well, I did 3 pounds, so you can freeze it again, you know?
Okay, that's true. Here we go.
And I realized we only went through like 1.5 pounds for however many people, you know?
Yeah.
Way less than I thought.
All right, so that is the system. Now we got to do that like 100 times.
Yeah.
All right, here we go.